Hello everyone. In this particular video, we're gonna see how we can print ASCII value of a particular character. So without wasting any single time, let's get started. First, I will create a public method and I will give name as a print ASCII value. As an argument, we will need one character variable of type char. Then first we have to typecast this particular character into int. So first I will create a int variable. I will give name as a ASCII number. And here if you're gonna typecast our character data type into int data type. For that first you have to in the circular bracket you have to write the variable type in which you have to typecast the particular variable, and then you have to give the variable name character. So this will typecast this particular character to int variable, and then we can just print this particular variable. For printing I will write a syntax, the ASCII value for, and after for I will attach the above variable character variable. Again I need a string is, then again here we'll pass the ASCII number. So this particular line will print the ASCII value for this particular character and what is the particular ASCII value. So let's execute this program and let's see whether we are getting correct output or not. For that first we have to create a main method, because in main method we're gonna call this particular method. To use directly this method I will just make this method as a static so that there is no problem importing this method into the main class, because main class is a static. So for that first let's declare one character. I will declare character as a or character is equal to a. Now first we will print what is the ASCII value for a. For that we will just call this method print ASCII value and we'll pass this character. Now this will print ASCII value for a. Let's execute our program and see what output we are getting. Here you can see we got ASCII value of a is 65. This is correct. You can go to internet and search for it. You will get ASCII value of all the characters and then you can compare whether it is correct or not. Let's see for a small a. Small a is 97. Let's see for Z. Now capital Z I will see. So this is how you can print ASCII value of characters in Java. Thank you. That's it for this particular video.